Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I have got something very exciting to talk. The latest software update for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra as well as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm. I am diving into Android 14 with One UI 6.0, which offers some new features and improvements. Let's get started. Alright, first up, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung has rolled out the highly anticipated Android 14 with One UI 6 update, and I am going to walk through some of the key features and improvement. First, let me show you how to check for updates and then install them. You need to go to settings, then at the bottom hit software update, then hit download and install. This will check if there is any software update available for your device. If there is any, like this time, you can download them and install them. Now let's go ahead and download the update. The size of the update is over 3 GB. So make sure your Galaxy S23 Ultra is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure a smooth download process. Now wait for the download to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can start the installation process. In the meantime, I will check my Galaxy Watch 4 for the latest update. For that, you need to open Galaxy Wearable app. You can see my Watch 4 is selected. From there, go to Watch Settings. Then select Watch Software Update. Check download and installation. Yes, a software update is also available for my Samsung Galaxy Watch. The size of the software update is quite huge. It's over 300 megabytes, and there are some caution mentioned by the Samsung. You won't be able to use the watch. The update shouldn't affect your personal data, and if you don't complete the update, you may not be able to use new features. For Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the new software improvements bring new Samsung Health and Fitness features. You can now track your blood pressure, blood oxygen level, body composition, and snoring pattern with more accuracy and convenience. You can also sync your health data with Samsung Health on your phone or tablet for a more comprehensive overview of your wellness. The new software update also adds some watch faces with more customizable and interactive feature. You can now choose from different styles, color, complication, and animation to suit your mood and personality. You can also create your own watch face with photos from your gallery or camera. For fitness enthusiasts, there are new workout modes and enhanced health tracking feature. The Galaxy Watch 4 is now even more capable of keeping up with your health lifestyle. Okay, as you can see, Samsung already downloads the update, so it is now time to install the new Galaxy Watch 4 software update. I am clicking install now on my wearable app, and please be sure that your Galaxy Watch have enough battery life to complete the update process. Okay, I am tapping install now. Let's see what will happen right now. Both in my phone and watch is showing watch software update. Your watch will disconnect from your phone when the update starts. Once the update is complete, your watch will reconnect to your phone automatically, and my watch is showing. I hope you can see. Okay, my watch is already restarted. The software update process is happening on my watch. In the meantime, let's talk about some new feature and changes of Android 14 and One UI 6 for my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. One UI 6.0 introduces a new design language that is more minimalistic and elegant. The icons, fonts, colors, animation have been refined to create a more consistent and intuitive user interface. You can also customize your home screen, lock screen, and always on display with new widgets, wallpaper, themes, and clock style. One of the most notable feature of Android 14 is privacy dashboard, which gives you more control over your personal data. Another feature of Android 14 from Google is Live Translate, which lets you translate text and speech in real time across different languages. You can now use this feature in any app that supports text input or output, such as messages, emails, web pages, even videos. You can also use it with Bixby Voice, which no one is using, or Google Assistant to translate your voice commands and queries. I will start the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra software update process after my watch update process is completed. By the way, the new software update also brings a lot of new camera feature on your already excellent Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The camera interface receives new design, new widgets, more alignment option for watermarks. You can now scan documents easily, a quick access to resolution settings, easier video size options, and you can now keep your pictures level with grid lines. And you can now choose between 3 levels of quality optimization for the pictures you take. Choose maximize to get highest quality pictures. Choose minimum to take pictures as quickly as possible. You can also choose medium to get the best balance of speed and quality. And most importantly, there is a new auto FPS settings for videos. Auto FPS can help you record brighter videos in low light condition. Auto FPS now has 3 options. You can turn it off, use it for 30 fps videos only, or use it for both 30 fps and 60 fps. Also, you can now turn off swipe up down to switch cameras and apply effects more easily. There are also app related update. Video editor app will now labeled as studio. There are so many updates. Okay, the software update is only 14% completed, so it will take a long time. While the watch for software update process is going on and Galaxy S23 update file is downloading, let's check another exciting thing. I have Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Is there any new software update for this thing? Let's check. For this, I also need to open Samsung Galaxy wearable app. You can see Buds Pro is already selected. I need to go to earbuds settings. Then click earbuds software update. It's checking for new update. Unfortunately, there is no software update is available for my Galaxy Buds Pro at this time. Yes, the software updates initial and main process on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is now completed. My Galaxy Watch 4 is now restarting on its own. In the meantime, my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra only 25% update file is downloaded. Okay, I am opening the Galaxy wearable app. No, Watch 4 is not yet available. Yes, my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is turned on. And the time we just saw in the always on display is quite bit different. It is not connected to my S23 Ultra yet. Yes, it is now connected. Okay, let's check. About watch software information. My Galaxy Watch 4's One UI version is now 4.5 watch and system version is 11. Wear OS version is 3.5 and Android security patch level is 1 January 2023. Okay, something new is waiting for me in the notification settings. Let me test what it is. Help with notification. Get tips for using notification and learn what to do if you are receiving notification you expect. Okay, this is some kind of troubleshooting features. I won't need it right now. Oh, there was a phone notification saying my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 software is updated. I just missed it, but at the same time my Galaxy Watch also giving me same notification. Okay, I am clicking OK. So the software update process has been completed successfully. I hope it will improve the battery life of my Galaxy Watch 4 as well. What about S23 Ultra One UI 6? 30% only. So time to give another break on my video. At last, my software update process is finishing. Let me tell you few quick tips to ensure smooth software update process. Firstly, backup all of your important data to avoid any loss during the update. Secondly, clear some spaces on your device to make room for the new features. Also, make sure your phone has over 50% charge before the start of software installation process. And lastly, to ensure a smooth and trouble-free software update, it's advisable to perform updates in a cool environment. Software updates often require the phone's processor to work intensively, which can generate heat. If the phone is already running hot or is exposed to high ambient temperature, the update process can create many unknown problems. Overheating can not only cause discomfort for the user but may also damage internal components of your phone. So, maintaining a normal temperature helps ensure the smooth and successful installation of the update. Okay, time to click install now. I am waiting for that message. Yes, download process is completed. I am now clicking install now. This may take few minutes. Your phone may restart several times during the update. Please don't do anything or press any button. Wait patiently. Yes, my main software update process of Android 14 One UI 6 on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is completed and I hope it is successful. My phone is now restarting. This will take another few minutes because during the start process the new software file will automatically optimize my already installed app and files. This will take a while. Yes, it is saying optimizing apps. Okay, there you have it, folks. A quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14 One UI 6.0. Samsung continues to impress with their commitment to deliver cutting-edge features and improvements on their flagships. These are just some of the highlights of the software updates I have told you in this video for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy Watch 4. There are many more new features and enhancements that you can explore and enjoy on your devices, and you can already see just after the software update of One UI 6.0 my phone already received November 2023 security patch level. This is always exciting. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.